Good morning, Maddie. Are you ready to get up yet? I'll take that as a no. Did you sleep well? You look like you slept well. Brodie slept well. Oh, 2 yawns. Yeah, Brodie likes to sleep his head on the pillow and cuddle with Mom. You like to cuddle with my feet. You definitely don't look like you're ready to start your day yet. Oh, Brodie's, he's thinking about it. That's about as far as he's getting. All right, don't bother to get up yet, guys. Oh, Brodie's starting slowly with a little bit of head yoga. And I see lying down happening. Oh, we're just repositioning. Yeah, this is what it's like to sleep with 2 Great Danes on your bed. A king-size bed. They don't leave a lot of space for peoples, but it's great cuddling. Okay, rest up till you're ready to start your day. Might start it with some playtime. Nope, Maddie just does not look like she's ready to go yet. Stay up there, Brodie, it's okay. Oh, down he gets. Brodie's ready. You are definitely not ready.